Hello everybody, let's have a look at the fear and greed index for the stock market. We're now at 31 and yesterday 26. We're still fearful, and for the crypto market we are neutral, and yesterday we were still fearful. On the charts not much is happening, so I did plot out the daily resistance up here, daily support down here. So the past days we have been trading in this range. So now it looks we're going a bit above. So the question is, will we keep it or will we reject again from here? It's again on very low volume. So let's see if it can hold. Gold did sell off minus 39 for the moment. And look how important those naked point of controls are. Yesterday we got rejection from the point of control from the 30th of July, and now we found support at a point of control from the 28th of July. So next one coming up to the downside is in confluence with this golden zone. Then silver also coming down a bit more compared to gold, 0.87. So we have the weekly support coming up, and then the naked point of control from the 28th. Crude oil, so there we are still in the short. Okay, we did go up a bit, nothing to worry about for now. PayPal, also this short, we're up 1.8%, so also nothing to mention here. Then I was looking a bit around, since the stock market is not doing so much for the moment, and I found this US 30-year yield, and if you enable the harmonic pattern indicator, then you can see you have here this giant crap or bat. It's still to be decided which pattern it will become. Yeah, by the way, to get it visible, you need to here deselect the wait for confirmation. But this one looks really juicy, because if this was the bottom indeed, and then it quite often happens that we get this weak push up, then we retest the lows over here, and then we pump. And if that is the case, then we break also this parallel channel, and that means interest rates are going up, and that means that institutional investors are leaving the bond market, and usually it means they go into the stock market, so it would be bullish for the stock market. But the question is whether the Fed will let this happen, because if the interest rate goes up, the American government has more problems to pay back their debts, because they need to pay more interests, and they have to pay it with money they don't have. So yeah, if this starts to become reality, then I think they will get some sweaty hands at the Fed and the US Treasury. So they promised that they would intervene in the bond market, but history has already shown that they never can fight the markets. The markets are just way too strong. There's way too much money, and the Fed cannot handle such volume. So yeah, this will become now finally one to look out for. Let's see. For now, we can put here a daily support, because we touched it yesterday. We got support, and now we're coming up. So this is interesting. And then there's also copper. So let's remove this indicator. For the ones who followed who has seen my Dungeon channel video, you can, if for copper, you take 34 as a length, and then as I explained in the past, I always test with order size 100% of equity, so I'm not going to explain that again why. So we would have 939% compared to 445 buy and hold, so that's almost a double of what we can achieve with buy and hold. The percent rate is not that good. It's 42.31, but doesn't necessarily mean that it's a bad strategy. As you can see, you can do a 2x, and the maximum drawdown is only 28%. So if you have a losing streak, at least in the past, when there was a losing streak, then you would only lose 28 or 27%, which is really good. And on average, we stay 91 days in a trade. So we got the buy signal at the close of the candle on the 27th of July. But I did see that this was just a topping pattern over here, and we were coming down. And then today we touched this naked point of control, and we did find support. So here I entered my long position. So how am I playing this one? So I'm taking a long position, and let's have a look at the monthly. Because here from 2008, there's this resistance. We did break through, then we did fall through, and then we found resistance again over here in 2012. Now, we did go through in February 21, and then we did find support in March and in April as well. You see, we wicked below it, but closed above. Again, wicked slightly below it, and then we closed above. So for me, if you look, we have the Donchian channel, which is over here, the bottom one. And I did put my stop loss around the this monthly support, so a bit below, just to see whether we can test it as support, because there's always the risk that we wick a bit down. So this gives you, in this case, let's say 10%, let's drop it a bit, so this would give you a 10% loss. So of course I position sized accordingly. I'm not going to risk 10% of my my trading capital. So we will see from here how it goes. But for now it looks like we're trading sideways. So yeah, there's still the possibility that we touch here the bottom of the Donchian channel, because we have this low over here. So we might come down there again to retest the support of this yellow line, which is the weekly support. And from here we might go up. Maybe I will buy a bit more if we go further down. I will see. So that's it for copper. So that's within another trading strategy. For the rest, there's not much to mention. Crypto market, Bitcoin dominance finally going up a bit. And let's have a look at the chart. So we did come down, retest also the naked point of control from the 4th of August. Did find support there, and from there we are going up. And I believe on the 1 hour time frame there is a harmonic pattern coming up. Yeah, there's this cipher. So this cipher can go up to the, because this is also unconfirmed, at least it was a couple of hours ago. Let's see if I check wait for confirmation. Yeah, it disappears. So this one is not confirmed yet, but if you manually draw it, then in theory it can go up to this naked point of control. So that's again confluence. But the good thing is that if we come down, then it's from this low to, let's say that we touch the naked point of control over there. Then it means we have those as take profit levels. So we would come down to retest 39K and then turn around and go up. So not much to worry about. So let's have a look at the Algo Trading, because we're still doing very well over there. So Tezos, yep, another % up. Dogecoin, still nothing. Bitcoin. So today, again, we found support at the trigger line. How crazy it sounds, but yeah, it happens from time to time. So also in this case, so we did buy extra here on the 3rd of August. Yesterday, there was again the risk of selling. Today, again, we were below it with the risk of selling. And then we got rejected from the lows over here. And now we're making this nice bullish candle. The same for Ethereum. Just pumping a little bit less hard compared to Bitcoin. That's also why the Bitcoin dominance did go up. But look at Ethereum, how nice this one is going up. This is just straight to the moon, while Bitcoin, you know, made a top over here, had to come down a bit, and is now, it looks like it's going to find support again. So while for Ethereum, they just smashed through everything. Bitcoin Cash, yeah, I'm still struggling with the weekly resistance over here. And then XRP, we're still in our short, and did also nicely come up, and it looks like we will close where we opened today. So let's have a look. That means, yeah, we're in slight loss for XRP. So let's have a look at the trading account. Bitcoin, so thanks to the fact that we did go 2x, we're already ahead of Ethereum. So $223 in profit, and Ethereum 198. And then XRP almost $6 underwater. Bitcoin Cash 66 in profit. Tezos 193. All right, so far everything is going well in the crypto market, so let's keep it that way. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.